Hot damn, where the river turns into a lake, it's going down. Told a couple buddies not a word and got around. Floating, drinking and fishing, and if you ain't been, then you don't know what you missing. Some think it's trashy, we think it's classy. The water's so muddy, I can't see what's swimming past me. Come on, get in, y'all, it feels just right. Hillbilly heaven, gonna get you a slice. If you drinking, bring a floaty, we don't want you to drown. If you trying to live, ain't no better time than right now. Got good folks all around, what more could you need? Hold on to your hat once we get up speed. We got Bobby on the Johnson, Dylan on the Merc, taking bets on who's gonna hit the sandbar first. Got a cooler full of whatever you need to get it poppin'. Once the temp goes up, them clothes start dropping. Hot damn, where the river turns into a lake, it's going down. Told a couple buddies not a word and got around. Floating, drinking and fishing, and if you ain't been, then you don't know what you missing. Some think it's trashy, we think it's classy. The water's so muddy, I can't see what's swimming past me. Come on, get in, y'all, it feels just right. Hillbilly heaven, gonna get you a slice. Rope swinging, song singing, man, we bout to make it happen. You can meet me up in Juliet, it's over close to Jackson. Tell the pretty girls that they can bring all their friends. And if you don't know where you going, then I'll drop you a pin. We got trucks on the bank, propane in the tank. Now we hooking up the grill, bout to flip a couple steaks. You want some world-class cooking, boy, you in the right spot. There's enough to go around, come and get it while it's hot. Damn, where the river turns into a lake, it's going down. Told a couple buddies not a word and got around. Floating, drinking and fishing, and if you ain't been, then you don't know what you missing. Some think it's trashy, we think it's classy. The water's so muddy, I can't see what's swimming past me. Come on, get in, y'all, it feels just right. Hillbilly heaven, gonna get you a slice. Hot damn, where the river turns into a lake, it's going down. Told a couple buddies not a